Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, southeastern Harding County in northeastern New Mexico until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Solano, or 7 miles west of Mosquero, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mosquero and Solano. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Harding and San Miguel. You are listening to Station W.